Alright, so welcome back. Let me try it. Sorry for the interruption. So welcome back. Anyway, so we're going to do. I'm just going to straight tell what we are going to do. We're going to do array. Alright, that's what we are going to do. But first, here's a story time, which I'm pretty sure most of you likes. So no array used in this web page. Alright, so let's take a look. Suppose you are a teacher, alright? I want to track all the students' name. I'm not going to talk about database just yet. Well, what I'm going to talk about is how could you display them in the console. Here is how we can do that. Suppose I have var, I just say Alan, var student, I just say student 0 equal to Alan, var student 1 equal to Bela, I just make that name up, var student 2 equal to Charlie, var student 3 equal to David, and var student 4 equal to Ether. Alright. So let's take a look on how to display them in the console, which is quite easy. Just do console.log student 0, console.log student 1, console.log student 2, and console.log student 3, finally console.log student 4, and semicolon. So let's take a look what will be happen. Let's just save this file really quick and review it. And so for some reason this display a lot of times, but yeah, you can see we have Alan, we have Bela, we have Charlie, we have David, and we have Ether. But it turns out it's not the most efficient way to do that, because you take a look. If you take a look, you declare 5 variables. All right, and you individually console them log, which is this step is fine, but you create 5 variables. That's really inefficient, and it's hard to reuse them again because ultimately the programming machine likes natural variable names more. So how can we do that? Well, now it's time to introduce you to, let me see my HTML. Alright, it's time to introduce you to a new stuff, which is called, you guess it, array. So let me do the comments really quick. Please get used to the comments. So this is using array to display data. So how can we do that? Let me save this file, save as. Just gonna files JS here. I just kind of array.html, array0.html. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna introduce you on how to actually use array. There are actually a few ways to declare array, but we're gonna talk about all these 2 ways. So first way with this declare array is you do this. Var, you still need to create a variable, but oh sorry, script. I'm like, why this does not go blue? Var students equal to this bracket equal to I'm gonna give them different name. Let's just say, I'm just gonna say fruits this time. Apple, banana, cherry. Do I have fruit from D? Let's begin with the D. I don't know. Yeah, it will be enough for just 3 for now. Alright. So let's take a look. Alright, let's take a look at this. So this is now its array format. Alright. So indeed, if I console.log fruits, guess what I'm gonna get back? Well, the error gone. Oh, really? And indeed, we see this, which at the end, and we see this array. You can see this is array, and we got a string apple, string banana, and string cherry. Alright, so we can set this. Yes. Alright, so that's one example way to do an array. But you can see we have a problem with it. I console.log the whole thing. So I console.log every single item in my array. What if I just want one certain data? Well, so we are gonna teach you in this, we're gonna say how to access array. Doc type HTML slash HTML file save as. I'm gonna say array1.html. And we're gonna talk about how to access an array. So head, body, script. And here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna still use a fruit as my keyword. I'm gonna say apple, banana, cherry. And here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna say this. This is how you access array. You type array, you type your name of the array, and you type curly bracket at the index or the position number of that array. Now you can see I have an error here because I need to console.log this. And let's see. Yep, now the error is gone. So let me just do a quick save it and run it. And indeed, you see string apple. But you're gonna say, wait, why do you use 0, not 1? Because that's what I'm saying. All the programming language, almost every programming language is 0 indexed, which is mean all the item that you saw is 0 indexed because the beginning at 0. So apple is position number 0, banana is position number 1, and cherry is position number 2. So remember, here's how to access array. You just do fruit array name. You do array name and the square bracket and type the index number there. Alright, so this is one way to access array. This is one way to declare array. We also have other way to declare array. So let me do this. File, and I'm just gonna do a copy and paste. So second way to create an array. So here's how could you do that. Let me do a quick save as HTML file JavaScript array2.html. So here's what we're gonna do today. This time, I'm not gonna use the var fruits anymore. Instead, I'm gonna change this a little bit. I'm gonna change this to here. New array, curly bracket this time. I'm gonna say apple, banana, and let's see, apple, banana, cherry. You can also use square bracket if you want. This will not cause any error, and in fact, I changed to 1. Actually, no, I'm just gonna use curly bracket. If I do that, and indeed, if I do this, indeed you saw banana on my console. That's just another way to use array using a JavaScript default way, like it have so JavaScript know how to do the array. It's automatically array for you. Alright, so let's do a textbook example. Let me save this. Let's do array 3. So let's save as JS. We're gonna say array3.html. So here's what we're gonna do. How to access array. So loop through all the name and print them out. So here's what I'm gonna do. This is from textbook straight, so I'm just gonna say var names equal to this. So I'm using old. I'm gonna say Thomas, Roger, Amber, and also Jennifer. Okay, it has so many more names, so I'm just gonna type in them Joe and down. And here's what we're going to do. I'm just gonna use a for loop. So for let I equal to 0, I smaller than students, the length I plus plus. I'm gonna say console.log student console.log names I. So what is happening this time? Well, there's so much thing and we don't know yet, and I just want to run this program. God, oh wait, no, I don't have to. Let me view it. I cannot view it anymore. So I'm still not sure how to use it actually. So I'm just gonna use my Quorum instead. So let's do this. And here's what. Okay, so let me save the file. I don't think I saved it yet. So I'm just gonna say save it. Yes. And this. And if I refresh the page, students is not defined. Do I use students instead of names? No worries, that's all programming, all debugging. Names, yeah, just names, dot links. This is the last example we're gonna do. Save it. I run it again, and now indeed, you see all the names, all the item in the array prints out. So it's actually happening is I create a for loop, but this syntax just means okay, get the lanes of the array names. So how many items do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So eventually just say okay 6. Then plus plus. So for every time I run it, so console.log the ice character, the ice place, I position number from 0 to 5 on the array, then console.log them out. And now ultimately you're gonna see all of them console.log out. Alright, so that's a basic syntax of the array. I'm gonna stop here and we're gonna continue next time.